discipline on 3rd and short, extending San Diego Charger drives. This is the type of stuff that cannot happen for the Oakland Raiders if they want to change the mentality, the focus, the direction of the organization.
3 first downs on this drive by Raider penalties. 1st and 10 Chargers at their own 40. Quick swing to Royal. Shakes one tackle, but could not shake number 56, Miles Burris. Ron Bartell was there. He snuffed it out. The new corner came over from St. Louis. Played only 1 game for the Rams last year. Was hurt. 2 new corners for the Raiders, so he made the initial hit. The Raiders were on that one to Royal.
I'm going. The Raiders have played good defense so far. They've given up 1 big pass play to Robert Meacham on a double move. Besides that, they played really good defense. It's these penalties on 3rd down, extending the drive, that's killing them right now. Let's see if they can overcome those penalties by just playing great midfield defense.
2nd and 13. Rivers to Malcolm Floyd. What a catch that was, and a throw on the outside. That's a big-time play between guys that have done this many times.
Absolutely. We talk about it all the time. There is no defense for a perfect throw. Malcolm Floyd gets the release down the boundary. He knows that ball is going to be a firm up ball behind him. That back shoulder fade, just his body, goes up the highest point, gets it. There's nothing that Ron Bartell can do to stop that play. That's just perfect execution by Phillip Rivers and Malcolm Floyd.
Now the Chargers at second base at the 39-yard line of the Raiders. 23-yard completion that time. Fake to Brown. There's Antonio Gates. Puts his head down and picks up a first down. An 11-yard pickup from Rivers to Gates. Just been such an outstanding player. 8 straight Pro Bowls for Antonio Gates. And as you said at the open, healthy this year to start it out.
And a staple of North Turner's offense, that little tight end throwback screen. Getting an athlete now. This isn't a tight end. This is an athlete out in space with 2 bigs out in front. Look at the violence of the finish. That's what you got to love about Antonio Gates. He's just not a prima donna, do all the pretty stuff. He does the ugly stuff well, like finish hard when he sees a DB.
Rivers 5 for 5 on this drive. 1st and 10 at the 29. A quick swing out to 33. LeRon McClain. And that'll get about half of it. Lamar Houston, number 99, and on top. You know, we're talking penalties, and it would be a good chance to leave.